Hey guys! Welcome back to K-Racing Muffler. And right now, actually may mga nakapila tayong customer. Ito si Sir, nag-message lang to kahapon sa amin sa Facebook page. And you know what? He wasn't satisfied with the sound of his exhaust system. So ngayon, papalitan natin yung exhaust system niya! Yes! Pero the thing is, kung ba't siya hindi nasa-satisfy? Kasi nilagyan daw ng resonator para daw sa back pressure. So, sagutin natin. Do we really need back pressure para sa ating exhaust system? Ano ba ang back pressure? Sige, simulan natin dito. Tignan natin yung exhaust system ni Sir. Ayan. Naka-dual exit and then naka 14-inch na resonator. Kailangan ba? Ngayon, kailangan ba ng resonator aside from sa sound? Ano ba ang purpose ng resonator? Alin, anong purpose ng resonator aside from sound? Purpose ng resonator, to make sure your engine is quiet as fuck. Aside from that, wala na siyang ibang purpose. Nakikita niyo yan? Ayan. 2.5 inches diameter.